Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find battery in Miside. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. Miside is a horror game where you get sucked into a phone game. In order to finish the first chapter, you will need to get the contraption Mida has made up and running again. There are 4 batteries you have to find and put into 4 different locations. Battery locations in Miside. There is a specific order you have to pick these batteries up in this jump scare filled horror game. Each battery will only appear after you have found the one before it, so there is basically only one battery around the apartment at a time. The first battery. The first battery will be in the bathroom. Above the toilet, you will see some text reading, "Can't you see me?" Then it will change to "Wanna play?" After the lights flicker a little when the writing changes, the cabinet to the upper left of the bathroom sink will open up. The first battery will be inside. You will not be able to leave the bathroom until you pick it up. The second battery. Leave the bathroom and walk through the hallway. This will lead you into the kitchen. The second battery will be on the kitchen counter by the sink. Don't look out the window. Once you pick it up, the door out of the kitchen will no longer lead into the hallway. It will instead lead into the living room like it should. Batteries 3 and 4. Once you step out into the living room from the kitchen, the third and fourth batteries will both appear as long as the kitchen door has closed behind you. There is one on the TV stand in the living room on the left side of the TV. The final battery is inside the refrigerator in the kitchen. Again, the door won't pop open to let you in the fridge until after you have left the kitchen, then returned. And you have now collected all the batteries in Miside. And that's it, you are done.